Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do an icy edition of a sleek bun, and this is an inspiration from Saweetie herself from the 2021 BET Awards. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this on 4C natural hair. So first things first, you need to detangle your hair, and be gentle, please. Just use a wide tooth comb and comb through your hair as much as possible. And when you feel like your hair is detangled enough, then get a bristle brush and just brush through your hair. That will also help you when you're applying any kind of gel or pink oil moisturizer onto your hair. So after I do all that, I just put my hair into a bun, as you can see. And then for this one, I'm going to do it old school. I'm going to use pink oil moisturizer, and this is what I'm going to use to actually slick back my hair. So I'm just using a bristle brush to apply it generously around my hair, and I'm going to brush through until you don't see the pink oil anymore. Now with the bristle brush, the trick is the more you brush through, the more you actually get enough hold on your hair. So please make sure that you brush through your hair so that anything that you're using, whether it's pink oil, whether you're using hair gel, it can really penetrate into your hair. Now if you know Saweetie very well, you know she's really big with her edges. So for this case, I'm also doing a little bit of edge control and just, trying to do some baby hairs here and there for this hairstyle. So as soon as I'm done with my baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and apply my silk scarf on my hair, and this is going to help to slick down my hair. So when you apply hair gel or pink oil moisturizer, it's really nice. If you have a blow dryer, you can use that, but if you don't have a blow dryer, then go ahead and use a silk scarf, because that is going to help your hair to dry with the gel or with the moisturizer, and will help your hair to really lay down flat. So this is how my hair is looking. I'm really happy with how it's looking, but what we are here for is to show you how to do the slick bun like Saweetie. So I'm just going to go ahead and braid my hair at the ponytail, and then I'm just going to tuck that in with a bobby pin, just so my hair is not really flying all over the place. So now we are going to go ahead and use the braiding hair. So for braiding hair, just feel free to use any pre-stretched braiding hair of your choice. There's no name and brand that you have to use specifically. And I'm just going to go ahead and put some oil on there so that I can moisturize it, and that will help me with the flyaways. You don't want to have a messy bun, trust me. So I'm just going to apply some oil generously onto the braiding hair and brush through it as well, so that we don't have any flyaways popping. And then after I do all that, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how you can actually put this on your hair. So most braiding hair comes with a rubber band. Now you can just use that rubber band, or feel free to pick any rubber band of your choice. The important thing is the rubber band is actually going to be invisible and will be tucked under your hair. So I'm just going to dress the rubber band around my bun, as you can see. Make sure it is tight enough and it's not really loose and hanging around. And then you can proceed to go and handle one of the sections of the braiding hair. Now, the section that you use first, you will have to use it to hide the braid at the back of your hair. So I'm going to show you how to do that. What you can do is you just have to get a little piece of the hair and dress it around the bun, as you can see. And then you can actually go ahead to roll the rest of the hair so that you can start to make the rotations for the sleek bun. So just watch and learn, yeah? So I finished dressing up the bun, as you can see. Now, if you're not comfortable doing this, you can also just tuck a bobby pin right there, just to help you when you're making the rotations of your hair. So for myself, I'm just going to go ahead and use one of my fingers to hold the hair in place while I rotate the rest. Then I'm just going to continue to make circular motions around my bun so that I can be able to achieve the style that we are going for. So the key to this hairstyle is that every rotation that you make, you have to layer your hair. So what does layering mean? Just make sure that every rotation you make at the front really goes below the previous layer of hair that you made. And that is what is going to help your hair to stack up and make that nice slick bun that you're looking for. So I'm going to show you how the second one is actually also going to help for the layers to stack up really nicely so that we can achieve our nice slick bun. So for the second one is quite easy because you have already kind of put your hair in place. So really make it as tight as possible because you really want that nice finish. So as you can see, I'm layering my hair and going below the previous layer, and that is helping my slick bun to actually become longer and to actually look more structured and more organized. So guys, I think our slick bun really came out looking really nice. Make sure to use some bobby pins to just tuck in the ends and to really have a nice organized bun. But this is our final look. Please comment in the comment section below and tell me how we are doing in comparison to our inspiration today. But thank you very much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video, and if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. I love you guys and thank you for always watching. Until the next video, bye bye.